Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel. And I know it's not Christmas, but I wanted to give you the entire tour of the house because maybe some of you never did see it when I posted it. So let me give you a quick tour. This was one of those pink houses, but I decided to transform it into my type of house. And I still have to work on the exterior of the sides, but I did the inside, and I did this right before Christmas. And I want to show you each floor. As you can see, I gave it a look there on the top. I took some decorative paper and decorated it. Look how pretty. I left that ceiling the way it was, and this is the top floor. So I just got, different things like the little tree from Dollar Tree, the candles from Dollar Tree. This black gate here is a jewelry holder, like you hang your earrings there and all that. So I see it as a gate. So that's the gate that goes over to the porch. Then I just have some ornaments there, some Christmas ornaments all around. Because at Christmas, the more the merrier, so that everything can look really festive. Look at the table setting there. Isn't that beautiful? And this is just a plastic seat, plastic chair and table. That's all it is. And sometimes you find yourself a little red box from a gift, and it serves as a table, right? That over there on the wall is actually a gift card. You can see that it says $25. But it was so pretty that I felt like, that could be wall art in my Christmas house. That fishy belonged to my mother. She had a few different colors, so I have them in different rooms of my dollhouses. Then I just have some little odd miscellaneous pieces there, like beads and things like that, just to make it look like a Christmas treasure box. So that's that. And then over here we have the porch. I placed a little dog in there and some plants. Then a little handmade sofa that I made. No big deal. It was just some felt and another piece, like a sponge looking piece. And cardboard. That's all that is. Very simple. So that is that first floor. Let's go to the middle floor. I love the middle floor. I think it might be my favorite. It's between this one and that one down there. But anyway, look at this beautiful clock. Look at this. I got this also at a flea market. This one I did pay, how much did I pay for it? I think like $10 I paid for it. But oh my God, it's so pretty. The furniture is part of my collection over the years. Now this here is not a table. This is just a piece of ceramic. That's all it was. I bought them at a yard sale. I bought a whole bunch, probably $1 for a whole bunch of them, and I made it a table by placing 2 plastic shot glasses underneath. So that could be the support of the table, and it blended in with the chairs, which I already had. So you see, some things you could just get around with. And then that's a napkin over here. Holiday napkin makes a rug, right? The fireplace. You can make a fireplace with just pieces of wood. Those are 3 pieces of wood and just some decoration in the front and in the back, and you made yourself a fireplace. These 2 things here that look like candles, they're really air fresheners from the Dollar Tree. And those are coasters right there on the wall. I have a whole box of a whole bunch of them. One of them made a rug, and these two made the wall decor, as well as that one over there. The whole door is actually 3 holiday cards combined together. That's all that is. And I added some push pins to make them knobs. I love that door. I love it. Then I had Santa Claus and that other ornament there with the dog and the cookies, the milk. Just ornaments that help you create something like this. Like the wreath. The wreath is an ornament. And the door is just from a card, a Christmas card, a holiday card. So I ended up cutting it out. The back of the door is a cover from an album. See it right there, the red? The doorknob again is another push pin. Let me zoom into it. See it? That's just a push pin that blended in because it was gold and ivory. The stairs were plain and I took a ribbon for each step. I cut up a ribbon for each step and decorated it, and look how pretty that ribbon is. A little gold cat from my thrift shop. Little drums from the Dollar Tree. So that's that middle floor. Then down here I made an outside setting. So I took a few pieces of that protective foam. You know how when you buy something and they protect it with all this foam? That's all it is. I had some flat pieces and I placed them there. They were perfect for this setting. So it looks like snow. It actually looks like the road, right? Like they came and cleaned the road, but or maybe the snow is fresh, right? And then I added other little outside things, just like you would do to decorate the house in the outside, right? Your own house, right? At Christmas time, you have decorations, you have your snowman outside of your house. Then those backgrounds are from calendars. My mom had these calendars and oh my God, look, they're beautiful. Look at that. It just all blends in. Isn't that beautiful? And these little angels, those were hers also. Maybe I'm gonna let you hear them because they're musical. So they belong to my mom. May she rest in peace. Then I have Santa Claus here. This car is also musical. It has a switch somewhere underneath. And I have a tin police car. Cookies came in there. That's what it was. Well, oh, one more thing that I forgot to show you was the handles, the handrails. Those were those little forks that you buy at the Dollar Tree. You know how when you have little pieces of salami and cheese hors d'oeuvres and you have those little forks? That's all that is. With some glue, I made the handrail. So I think this is it. I showed you the entire house. And this has stayed here and it'll be here for next Christmas too, because what am I gonna do? Dismantle it and put it away? I might as well keep it there. You know? Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed this in May. We're in May and I'm showing you a Christmas house. But I hope that you enjoyed it and thank you for watching.